Govee car lights with RGBIC segmented color control allows for multicolor light displays, showing more than one color at a time, bringing a new level of personalized lighting decor to your car. Get the party started with dynamic music modes that use the built-in mic to sync lighting effects to the beat and sounds. Liven up your road trips or evening commute with colors that dance energetically to your favorite songs. With an array of preset scene modes, always drive in lighting that fits your style or mood. Discover scenes based on nature, holidays, and emotions to keep your car's interior fresh, fun, and vibrant. Make your own dynamic interior lighting effects in Govee Home app and even share with the community. Customize using 16 million colors, adjustable speeds, and brightness. True personalization for all ages.